Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power cleanly. Unplug the PS3 and remove any disks, USB storage, and the HDD so nothing spins during fixes. Once done, wait 10 minutes to let capacitors discharge. This reduces boot problems. Use a microfiber cloth and canned air to clear vents and fan openings. Blow short bursts from outside, not inside the console. Make sure you have a Phillips #0 and a well-lit workspace. You'll need them in the next steps to access internal components safely. You'll remove the outer shell and organize screws into groups so reassembly is painless. Once inside, clean the fan and heatsink fins with canned air and a soft brush. Grime restricts airflow and causes overheating. If temperatures remain high, carefully remove old thermal paste and apply a thin, even layer of new compound to the CPU/GPU to restore conductivity. While you're there, check ribbon cables, solder joints, and the optical drive for loose connectors or burnt components. Replace any suspect parts before reassembling. You now reassemble the PS3 carefully, making sure every ribbon and power connector seats fully and screws go back to their original holes. Improper fitting creates shorts or vibration. Boot the console with no external drives and check system software. Run the safe mode rebuild database and update the firmware to eliminate software-level freezing. If freezing continues, swap the HDD or test another power source. Persistent issues point to failing power components, GPU solder cracks,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.